Hello everyone. Today in this video, we will be cracking someone's username and password. It can be applicable for all the websites such as Facebook, Instagram, but it is illegal, so we will be using this website for test. This is free website to test hacking. I will provide the link in the comment. Make sure you watch this video till the end. I will give a pro tip at the end of the video, and like and subscribe so that you can get related videos like this. I am doing this in Kali Linux using VirtualBox. If you want to know about the VirtualBox, write in the comment section. I will definitely make a dedicated video on it. Now come to the screen and open the VirtualBox. Then from there you open the Kali Linux. Now the first step is to open the terminal. Now to become an admin user from a normal user, write sudo su. Then it will ask for the password. You enter it and you will be an admin user now. We will create password and username possibilities. If you try to hack someone, you will have some information of the person which may match with the person's username. So first we will write vi username dot txt. We have created. If this interface is shown to you, you click on E, then this interface will come. Now click I in the keyboard, then it will come to an insert mode. Now you insert all the username possibilities it may have. Suppose admin, the name, father's name, it may be address. Now after writing all the username possibilities, click on the escape button in the keyboard, then give colon, then write wq, then click enter. Now we will create the possibilities of passwords. So we will write vi password dot txt. Now we will give the password possibilities. Click on I button, then suppose the password may be 1234 12345 123456. These are the possibilities it can come. Now in some case might happen after clicking in the escape button, many possibilities come over here. You can select them and click on the delete button to remove them. In my case it is not coming, but sometime it comes. Then click on the colon, then write wq. Now write the main command, that is, first we will write hydra. This is the tool name. Then we will write /l. We are using the slash name because we do not know the username. If you know the specific username, then we will write hyphen small l. You will all get this in man hydra. By writing that command in the terminal, you will get all the manuals of the hydra tool. Now after that, click space, then give a space. Now you will see where these usernames and password has been created. Then open the folder from there. You can see in the Kali these two are created. So my path will be /home /Kali /username dot txt. We have already created this. This is the possibility of username I have told already. Now give hyphen, then capital P, Then write the path for the password possibility, that is also home/kali/password.txt. Now give space and write the IP address of the website which we are using. Now come to the browser, you can see this website. The IP of the website is this one. So from here you can click Ctrl C to copy and come in the terminal and Ctrl Shift V, then /s, then we will write the port number. In the website you can also see the port number, that is 8102. In the terminal you will also write 8102. Now write http hyphen post form. http post form means after getting the correct username and password, it will log in to that page. So it is post, not pre. Now give the address of the website, URL of the website. So this is the URL of the website. Copy from here and paste it over here. Now beside it give a semicolon and write username equals to, then write user Why you are writing this? Because the username we will be seen in the text field of the username. If we right click in this, if we go to inspect, you can see the name of the text field is username. So here we will write username equals to user, and then it is equals to the pass. Now we will create another one of the login button. Again you come to here, right click in the login button, go to inspect, and you can see the name of the login button is login-php-submit-button. So this is the name of the login button. So we will write and now this is equals to the login, and if login is not done, the password will be incorrect. The password will be incorrect and the incorrect spelling will be in small. Now this is the full URL. You will give the quote over here. Now give a space and write -v. This is because after getting the correct username and password, it will highlight it in the terminal. Now give space and write -f in small. What does the -f means? It will stop after finding the correct username and password. So we will click enter. It will start finding the correct username and password. So you can see we have got the correct username and password, that is admin, and the 1234 is the password. So let's check in the website whether it is working or not. The username is admin and the password is 1234. And if we log in this one, exactly it is working. You can see the main page opens. The status update is user authenticated. Like this you can crack the username and password. Now I have told that I will give you a small tip at the end of the video. The small tip is we will have to match the possibility given in these two things, the username txt and the password txt. Suppose the username is Rohan or any other name, but we have not given in the user.txt, it cannot find that one. So we need a website which will create multiple usernames. So if you can come to the browser and create another tab and write multiple username possibility creator, then here you will give multiple website where millions of random ideas of username can be generated. So I hope you found this video informative. Today up to this, next video we will meet again.